You want to be more productive, and you've read or understood that a morning routine can help you to get it, so you want to have a morning routine for yourself. Today, I'm going to show you how. A few days ago, I uploaded a video about a step-by-step process to create your perfect morning routine. If you want, the link is in the description and will probably be up here as well. That video was for people who already know what they want to put in their morning routine, but it's hard for them to stick with it. So if you are in that place, be sure to check out that video. But if you want to know what a productive morning routine is actually consists of, then stay tuned because this video is just for you. Before we're going over 5 things you should consider including in your morning routine, I want to invite you to press the subscribe button right next to this video so you will make sure you will not miss anything and you will continue your journey to keep on growing into a beyond better life. And you'll get notified every time I upload a new video, which is amazing. The first habit I think that everybody needs to put in their morning routines, I mean, if you're human and if you are living on Earth, you should probably put this in your morning routine. Drink water. The amount of water you actually drink in the morning may vary, depends on your beliefs, but one thing is obvious. After several hours of sleeping without drinking, your body is dehydrated and it needs this water fast. And as someone who actually does drink coffee in the morning, I do it myself, I understand one thing. Coffee does not help the body get the liquids, get the waters it actually needs. So I first drink some water and only later I drink my coffee. Remember, coffee is not a replacement for water, especially not in the morning. The second thing that in my opinion you should consider adding to your morning routine if you're not already doing it is working out. And you don't have to spend like 2 hours in the gym or run a marathon every morning, but if you'll only move yourself just a little bit, make a walk around the block or go to the gym or make some yoga or whatever kind of sports you actually like and you actually enjoy, doing it in the morning is amazing. And if you're still having trouble with consistency regarding to working out, I've just uploaded a video a few days ago about how to create working out as a habit, how to make working out simple, fun, and appealing habit so you can do it every day without feeling like it's hard. Working out should give you energy and not steal the energy away from you. So if you're in this place, make sure that right after you watch this video, you head up to watch that other one. I'll put the link in the description. Because for me, when I work out before I go to work, I'm better at work. And when I work out in the morning, I'm actually having better evenings with my kid and my wife, and it's more fun and energetic. You should do it, but on the end of the day, it's your call. The third thing you should definitely consider adding to your morning routine is time for wonder, for fun, for gratitude. You can do it with meditation, with writing down. You can do it in whatever way you want. Giving yourself the time to see the beauty in the world, whether it's inside or outside, is a great way to begin your morning. And the fourth thing that in my opinion you should add to your morning routine is something that I have to admit, sometimes I put it off. Sometimes I don't actually have it in my morning routine because I change my morning routine every once in a couple of years. So when I have times for weeks or a month when I don't do this part of my morning routine, make my days way less satisfying and actually more tiring and less energetic. When I do it, I feel amazing. The fourth thing is to give time to the one most important long-term thing that you want. Even if it's not urgent and you have tons of urgent things to do, even if other people don't quite understand why it's so important for you, the number one most important long-term goal of yours should have some steps taken every morning in order to get there to achieve. For different people, different things can be the most important thing, but one thing is sure. If you start your day with doing one of the most important things for you, you will feel this day was productive, even if the rest of the day went boo. Do it in the morning. I promise you, you'll feel great. The fifth, last but not least thing you should consider adding to your morning routine is learning something new. For me, I watch videos, I watch audio courses, and while I'm in my gym and while I'm driving to work, I actually listen to e-courses and ebooks. If you would want to meet me when you want to learn something new, be sure to press the subscribe button right under this video so we can stay in touch, so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. But right now you should be asking a question. Didn't I forget one of the most important things every single person must have in his morning routine? Did not I forget about breakfast? Well, I have mixed feelings about breakfast, because in the past year I did many periods of time where I was doing intermittent fasting, which means I would not eat until 10 o'clock or maybe 12 o'clock. So it was like no breakfast for me. And on those times, actually the first thing I would eat would be a shake or a fruit or a snack. And it made me feel great. It made me feel energetic. It made me feel amazing. And I totally recommend it. The one reason I'm not actually intermittent fasting all the time is that when I'm focusing on lifting weights at the gym, I actually feel like I need those extra calories, I need this extra energy, and so I feel like my time at the gym is less productive if I don't eat breakfast. So right now, I do eat breakfast. I eat some oatmeal and some walnuts. But if you are the kind of girl and the kind of guy that actually works out in the evenings, or you actually do cardio in the morning, doing it fasted is amazing, it's great, and I totally recommend, because it worked for me. But you should check it out, you should try it out, and if it doesn't work for you, maybe it's not for you, because eating breakfast is probably amazing as well. So I have a question for you. Do you eat breakfast in your morning routine, or do you not? Or maybe you do something else in your morning routine that I did not mention? I'd be very happy if you write down in the comments about it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.